Today I have filmed my fave Christmas look using some gold glittery eyeshadow and red lipstick. If you like this look and want to see how I achieved it, then please keep watching. For my eyebrows, I've started using the Benefit Brow Gel. I've started using this because I was just spending so much money on pencils, whereas this is going to last me ages. Plus I actually find it easier to use than I did with the pencils, so. I'm now going to clean up under my brow and also use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer as an eyeshadow base. I'm just taking a flat brush to clean up under my eyebrow. I'm then setting that concealer using my Maybelline Stay Matte finishing powder. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here. I'm just taking this colour into my crease using windshield wiper motions. The next shade I am taking is this one here, just to add a little bit further down in my crease, using the same backwards and forwards motions. I'm just taking a tiny bit of product at a time so I can just slowly build it up to as dark as I want it. I'm also packing this colour halfway across my lid. When I've done that, I'm just going to go back in with the first colour and the first brush and just really gently make sure that the first colour is blended nicely into the second colour and there's no harsh lines. I'm putting hardly any pressure onto the brush when I'm doing this. Next, on a very small precise brush, I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to be taking that really deep down into my crease to almost define it. Just picking up little bits at a time as we don't want to go in too dark too quickly. Just using backwards and forwards motions to deepen this colour up. I'm also adding this darkest shade to the outer half of my eyelid. I'm just patting that on to get most pigment as possible. Next thing I'm doing is taking this flat concealer brush that I used before and I'm going to cut my crease. It's really important you take your time with this step and just stamp the concealer on. I'm just going to take this halfway across my lid. I also sometimes find it's easier to do if I pull the skin tight like this. To set that concealer, I am taking this shade here on a flat brush. And I'm just pressing that everywhere I've put my concealer. And then taking that darkest shade again on this really precise brush to blend the two colours together. That's on my lid. And just really gently wiggling backwards and forwards. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking some gold glitter on this flat brush here. I would hold it up to show you it, but I've just done that and the glitter is poured everywhere. So I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to start on the very inner corner, just just gently pressing it on and then spreading it across my eye. I'm not using any glue for this because I want the glitter that's in the centre of my eyelid to be more like spread out, and the glitter that's in my inner corner to be quite packed in, so it's like a gradient. I'm now moving on to my face, and for my foundation I'm using my Kat Von D Lock It foundation. I'm just blending that in with the beauty blender. To conceal under my eyes, I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I'm also going to clean up the edge of my eyeshadow. To set that concealer, I am taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder on my beauty blender and just pressing that in. To set the rest of my face, I'm just going back in with my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder and just pressing that in with a big fluffy brush. Now that I've started my face, I can go back in and finish my eyes, and I'm just taking this darkest shade to go under my eyes like I did before on this precise brush. So now I'm going to pop on some false lashes. I'm not sure what these are called because I lost the packet. I'm now just popping on some mascara so that my natural lashes blend in with the false lashes. I've now finished my eyes and I'm going to move on to my face again. I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer as always. Just using that to bronze my cheeks and my forehead. Next, I'm just highlighting my face using my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonstone. So the last thing I've got left to do is my lips, and because this is a Christmassy look, I'm going to go in with a red lipstick today. So this is my finished makeup look, and I really hope you like it. I would definitely recommend doing your eyes before your face, because when I actually first did this look to go to my Christmas ball, I did my face first and I had glitter all over my face. As well as that, this look also looks really nice with a nude lipstick, but I fancied going red today because I feel Christmassy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.